But you have seen some strange footprints.
A while I have, yeah. About 1972. Just over by the past the old school. They had seen this man of some sort. So we went down there, and it was in the springtime for sure. Then, because there was talk about old Bigfoot by that time in 1970 when Nordic was doing some sightings, and so of course when I seen the prints myself, I just was immediately, well, for sure this guy's around. In my mind, when I put my footprint on that print that guy left, well, it's not an ordinary huge guy on the reserve running around barefoot. So he is definitely around somewhere.
But then again, somebody said that sounds like a wolf. But the first noise we heard, the sound of it, it sounds like a bird. About 3 in the morning, it's still dark. Then that noise came around the second noise. The sound of dogs were barking at it too. And then when it finishes, another sound came on.
Yeah.
Some elders said in the winter time there's bobcats or lynx. Sometimes they'll be calling like that they have sore bones for the winter. Must be in pain. The river is how close we live to the river bed.